Hi there, welcome back to A Year in the Garden. This is Jen for Spokane Public Library, and today we're going to talk a little bit about collecting seeds. Here are some deer that have gone to seeds, and the question has been asked several times, when is the best time to collect seeds? My advice is to wait until they're completely matured. And how do you tell when they're mature? They're completely browned. Like this. Let's see, look at one that is completely mature. This is a perfect example, and in fact, as we're doing it, they're bursting everywhere. So in order to ensure a good success rate next year, these seeds are left to mature and get all the sugar and energy. But if you cut them too early, it'll be like a preemie that may not guarantee the survival rate and might have a lot of health issues. So anyway, that's the best time to collect seeds. Now, it's important to keep in mind that when you collect your heirloom seeds, you may not have 100% the same exact harvest for next year, because a lot of factors can come into play. Mother Nature could have a complete different growing conditions for you, or this may be open pollinated with something else that your neighbor is growing half a mile down the road by bees and corrupted that way. So that's another thing. Another thing, now this deal is very easy to handle. You just shake it, dry it, and that's it for next year. And what am I going to do with all these deal seeds? I'm going to collect them for our seed library at Hilliard and Indian Trail Library. So next year, if you need deal seeds, please contact us at Hilliard or Indian Trail branch. And seeds, like people, come in all different sizes and shapes. I'm going to show you another kind of seeds that need a little bit more handling. This is master green seeds that I have left to mature, and this is how you can tell that they're ready to harvest. See, brown. Okay, unlike deal seeds, this is completely encased by a casing, so this takes a little bit more handling and processing. In the next episode, I will show you how to handle this green seed that is a little bit more time-consuming. Here's another example of master green. On this patch, some of them is ready to harvest, so I'm going to cut them because I don't want them to go to burst. And that brings up another point. You do have, there is a fine line between maturity and bursting. So you have to collect them as they mature if you want seeds and not a mess next year. But at the same time, I'm going to leave the rest of them to mature and then wait for them and then process them. And that's it. And here's some cilantro that's going to grow into coriander. So until next time, enjoy gardening.